Hi guys, today we have come with a new challenge of guess animals with their eyes. This is going to be very interesting. Please find the link of the other quiz in the description below. And please let us know how many animals you were able to guess in the comment section. Are you excited? Come on, let's get started. Which animal is this? Yes, it's a penguin. Penguin, penguin. Which animal? Difficult to recognize. Yes, it's a bear. Bear, bear. Oh, which animal? Yes, it's a lemur. Lemur, lemur. Which animal? So easy, isn't it? Yes, it's a cat. Cat, cat. Which animal, guys? Difficult one. Yes, it's a fox. Fox, fox. Which animal? Not too tough. Yes, it's a red panda. Redpanda, red panda. Which animal, guys? This is an easy one. Yes, it's a sheep. Sheep, sheep. Which animal? I can recognize it. Yes, it's a pig. Pig, pig. Which animal, guys? Yes, it's a buffalo. Buffalo, buffalo. Which animal? Everyone can recognize this. Yes, it's a tiger. Tiger, tiger. Which animal is this? Yes, it's a leopard. Leopard, leopard. Which animal? Such cute one. Yes, it's a rat. Rat, rat. Which animal is this? Difficult to recognize. Oh, it's a kangaroo. Kangaroo. It's a kangaroo. Which animal is this? Not tough. Yes, it's a lion. Lion, lion. Which animal is this? Yes, It's a hyena. 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 Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.